One of the hardest rooms to renovate in the house is the bathroom. As a DIYer, you need to have a lot of knowledge and be able to use many techniques.
In this series, we actually demonstrate to you all these techniques. In the previous episodes, we already built our walls. The necessary facilities came in the construction. Afterwards, the whole was reinforced with OSB plates. To continue working on this, construction plates were placed, ensuring a smooth process. Cement amalgamated in the wet zone and green drywall panels are installed in the rest of the bathroom. In the wet zone, we carefully applied a flexible seal to the walls. The floor and wall around the bath and shower have been tiled, and we installed these using a special leveling system. In the meantime, the bath and toilet were installed, and the floor has also been grouted with a waterproof grouting agent. The floor in the rest of the bathroom is covered with a water-resistant laminate. The plumbing was installed and the shower wall is also in place by now.
The bathroom is almost done, yet I still need a vanity. After all, it's a luxury bathroom, so I opt for a double.
In each designated area, we will install a sink, and for each sink, a meticulously heated mirror. But first, we are going to carefully paint where necessary.
When you take a shower, you have a very high humidity in the bathroom at that moment, so you also have a higher chance of mold. To now limit the chance, I utilize a hybrid paint. That is, a paint with special additives designed to limit the chance of mold.
You use that bathroom paint both on the ceiling and on the wall. Wait a few more days to use the bathroom. It takes about a week for the paint to fully withstand the increased humidity in the bathroom. Once paint's dry, we can. Starting now at the vanity unit. Check when removing from packaging whether the vanity unit has suffered any damage during transportation. Then remove all drawers for easy work. Wrap sealing thread around screw. Shut off your valves and first mount these on your pipes. Adjust if necessary with a key. Turn the taps off completely to avoid accidents later. The furniture instructions usually also include all dimensions. Measure everything based on this, on your wall, and mark off. Then, check again using the mounting brackets if your measurements are indeed correct. Also, immediately mark out all your screw holes. Drill indicated points ahead. Then fix your mounting brackets in place.
The OSB board behind the plasterboard not only strengthens my wall, but also provides a great advantage for hanging items without needing a special plug.
We are always absolutely certain of receiving a good, solid confirmation. One that leaves no room for doubt or hesitation. Unscrew the hooks that will later slide over the brackets as far as possible. Carefully strip and possibly extend the cable for your cabinet lighting, ensuring it is properly and safely installed. Lift the furniture using hooks over brackets. Pair hooks back against the wall, but make sure the furniture only hangs. You can still screw stop slots to that, guaranteeing your furniture hangs perfectly. Once you are sure that everything is correct, you can further secure the furniture. First, drill your holes in the provided openings, and then screw the furniture tightly. Now start with your wash basin unit's worktop. For easy operation, first assemble all sinks and plumbing. Screw the included threaded rods a bit into the sink and mount the drain plug. However, make sure you assemble this in the right order to ensure this is waterproof. You can tighten the plug with an Allen wrench, ensuring a secure fit. Sink ready. Gauge its path. Add it. Middle sink off. Mark half of the measurement you just took on this. That's where to set your faucet. First pre-drill with a wood drill. Use this hole then to place your hole saw and drill an opening with it, with the same diameter as your tap. Get your wrench and slide the cover into place. Set faucet in hole. Mark, with a marker, which specific flex should carefully get hot water. Slide necessary sealing rings in place. Finally, don't forget the confirmation nut. Simply securely fasten that onto the thread of the tap. Tighten the screws further to clamp the faucet in place. The sinks indeed can be precisely positioned in their designated place. Clamp this box through a washer and screw more on the threaded rods at the bottom. Tighten the nuts with a wrench.
There is also a drain plug at the sink, which is a waste plug made of the same material as the sink. And you can't stop that, it's simply best.
His sinks without overflow. The plug, of course, must be securely affixed to the drain. First, measure your siphon for that. Transfer that size to your drain pipe. Customize your drain pipe with a grinding wheel. Carefully chamfer the edge for smoother, easier placement, and diligently remove any burrs that might be present. Attach the space-saving sipon and slide it. Custom-made drain pipe in with some silicone spray. A leaf for your wash basin furniture can be placed. Determine how long your drain pipe from siphon to your drain plug will need to be. Transfer size to your drain pipe and customize with the angle grinder. Bevel and remove the burrs. Don't forget to link the flexibles of the faucet with stop valves now. You can still achieve success. There is a fiber seal on it, extra seal. Indeed, it seems that it's absolutely not necessary truly. Then place the drain pipe to the siphon. Don't forget to apply the necessary seals. The seal on the drain plug is the most important, but a seal must also come to the other connections. Tighten by your hand. Conduct a test to see if there's absolutely nothing leaking. Please, turn your faucet on and observe. You now know your faucet works, and if there's no dampness at the siphon's bottom, it's indeed waterproof. At the bottom of the cabinet, there's another connection for cabinet lighting. Connect them with splice connectors. To work safely, naturally do this in a junction box. With components set, you can slide the ladders into place. First, you completely remove the drawer guides and connect them with the rod that comes with it. Then, carefully slide the drawers into their precise place. Open drawers this way. Press the button repeatedly. If your electricity is connected, it will. Interestingly, your cabinet lighting also functions effectively, providing ample illumination. With the cabinet in place, we can now mount the mirrors. Determine the location of the mounting brackets for the mirror. Ensure that the mirrors hang at the same level. Check with your own level. Pair connection for lighting. Effectively hang up the brackets, please. We can actually screw directly into the wall here, but we have quite substantially thick screws, so we essentially pre-drill to make it go smoother. Then hang brackets. Additionally, kindly take a level to check, ensuring accuracy. Then, take the mirror with you. Make the electrical connection for the mirror. This mirror has built-in lighting in and around the mirror and infrared heating. This is not only useful as auxiliary heating, the heating also prevents your mirrors from fogging up. In addition to the mirrors and the furniture, a column cat is also coming. Here there are no electrical connections to provide, so it's just a matter of hanging them up and arranging them. Use the bracket that comes with the cabinet. You can fix the cabinet after, if it's needed. Ensure it's fully level. Now connect the sockets. This circuit is not yet connected, but if it is already connected at your place, don't forget to switch it off before you start working on your electricity. Strip the sheath from the copper cables. Then connect your socket. The grounding always comes in the middle. The blue neutral conductor or the brown phase wire comes from the left and right. In principle, it doesn't matter which one goes, but always follow the same procedure in your house. We consciously opt to position the neutral wire straight, actually. The socket can then be put in place and the cover caps can be placed on it. The bathroom furniture is now installed and securely connected. The electrical circuit can be connected and subsequently switched on. The bathroom seems complete, but it is not without the necessary accessories. The assembly of these accessories is usually, indeed obvious. Mount the plate to the wall with screws. Then you attach your makeup mirror, your towel holder, or your glass holder to the attachment. At the bottom, a screw fixes it invisibly. Finally, when all the dust works are done, you can caulk all the seams. You do that with silicone for sanitary applications. Along the glass, use transparent silicone. But, accompanied by white furniture, white silicone is indeed the most beautiful. Apply this with a caulking gun. Try to do this as neatly as possible. Then, you smooth out the silicone. Use finishing soap. Spray some on the seam and your nail. This way, effectively, no more silicone material will actually stick to your hands. Remove the excess silicone with your thumbnail and then smooth the seam, once flat with your finger. Apply sealant to all seams where moisture can get in the shower, around the bath, or even around the toilet. And with that, our bathroom is perfectly finished. Our luxury bathroom is now equipped with a waterproof shower tray with a rain shower. It is efficiently operated by the system's built-in plumbing infrastructure. We placed the toilet flush. Consider applying a wall treatment for a more appealing and polished finish. In addition, a double bath was installed with, of course, the necessary faucet. Behind the bath, we made a niche where we could put soap. We ensured that all floors were water-resistant, including the floor at the sinks. It has a wooden structure. Still, it has a warm appearance, and our bathroom wasn't complete without necessary storage. We now have that with a cabinet under the sink and a column cabinet next to it. The mirrors are equipped with built-in lighting and heating, ensuring they do not fog up. When a delightfully warm and steaming shower is taken, it's truly a moment to savor.
The luxury bathroom is now indeed completely finished, and it's finally time to enjoy it and rinse the construction dust out of my hair. What we mainly wanted to show you in this series is that every step of this renovation is very important to achieve a good final result. Do you want to watch one of these episodes or another again? Visit our website www.dobit.be to also subscribe to our online magazine. Looking forward to seeing you at my next job. Until next time.